Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make cleaning a breeze, the AIRDIYA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what is the AIRDIYA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner? This upgraded stick vacuum boasts an impressive 40 kilopascals of suction power and is designed for versatility, functioning as an 8-in-1 cleaner. Whether you're tackling pet hair, crumbs, or dirt on various surfaces, this lightweight tool aims to deliver an efficient cleaning experience. It features a self-standing design, a large 1.5L dust cup, and an anti-tangle mechanism, making it ideal for households with pets and children. Let's highlight some of the most important features of this vacuum. First off, the upgraded 40 kilopascals motor is a game-changer. It includes two adjustable power modes, making it capable of capturing everything from stubborn pet hair to lighter debris like cat litter. Additionally, the construction of the vacuum is designed to minimize noise, which can be particularly helpful if you're cleaning during quiet hours or around sleeping children. However, it's worth noting that this model is recommended primarily for short pile carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. If you frequently clean pet hair, make sure to keep the brush roll free of tangles to maintain optimal performance. One of the standout features of the AIRDIYA vacuum is its impressive battery life. It's powered by 6 rechargeable 2200 mAh batteries, which offer a rapid 4.5-hour charge time. Depending on the mode you choose, you can expect a runtime of about 15 to 20 minutes on maximum mode and up to 30 to 35 minutes in standard mode. It also has a charge indicator, so you'll always know when it's time to plug it in. For best results, it's recommended to fully charge the battery before your first use and to perform a couple of full charge and discharge cycles to ensure the battery reaches its optimal performance. Another feature that makes this vacuum compelling is its 6-layer high-efficiency filtration system. This system includes a HEPA filter, stainless steel filter, and double cyclonic separation, which work together to eliminate 99.99% of dust particles as small as 0.2 microns. The HEPA filters are washable and reusable, but remember to clean them regularly to avoid clogging and maintain suction efficiency. Now, let's talk about who this vacuum is suitable for. If you have pets, this vacuum is particularly beneficial due to its strong suction power and anti-tangle features. It's also a great choice for anyone who lives in a smaller space or has limited storage since it's lightweight, only 2.8 pounds, and features a self-standing design. This makes it user-friendly for people of all ages, including seniors who may struggle with heavier vacuum models. In practical use cases, you might find the AIRDIYA vacuum particularly handy for quick cleanups after family meals, or for those moments when your furry friend sheds more than usual. The adjustable LED-equipped floor brush makes it easy to reach under furniture, ensuring you don't miss any dust bunnies lurking in hard-to-reach spots. Plus, the one-touch emptying feature means you won't have to get your hands dirty when disposing of the collected dust and debris. In conclusion, the AIRDIYA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner combines powerful suction, lightweight design, and practical features that make it a solid choice for households with pets, small spaces, or anyone looking for an efficient cleaning solution. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.